Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get an MSM private server. First, you'll need to locate and download the correct server files. Always choose a reputable source to avoid any issues. Once downloaded, make sure your computer or device meets the specified system requirements for smooth operation. Then, simply extract all the files into a new, dedicated folder on your system. This keeps everything organized for the next steps. Now, let's get your server running. Open the configuration files and adjust settings like the port number. 8080 is a common choice. Remember to update your firewall rules to permit incoming connections on that specific port, which is crucial for others to join. Finally, execute the server program. You should see a console window indicating that your private server is now active and ready for players. To connect, simply use your server's IP address within the game client. If you're having trouble, check the server's log files for any error messages. They often provide clues. Common issues include incorrect port forwarding or firewall blocks. If problems persist, try restarting the server and your game client. Sometimes a fresh start is all it takes to resolve minor glitches and get everyone playing smoothly. For advanced management, always back up your server data regularly to prevent loss. Monitoring performance is also key. Keep an eye on CPU and memory usage to ensure a smooth experience for all players. If you notice slowdowns, consider optimizing your server settings or hardware. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.